Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about Macy's INC, and when it comes to risk reward and trend analysis, a technical analyst will tell you about the trend in a much more efficient way than a fundamental analyst do. So fundamental analysis will give you the strength of the business, that is very much important and very important, but technical analysis will give you the trend where you can find the risk reward much more favorable in your side rather than you are looking at the halfway around, and when half of the trend is over or almost 70 or 80% trend is over. So if you look at this trend, so Macy's stock price is trending at a very important and crucial support level where we can say in the long term it is near to its long term support level, and probably if the same trend applies and the same thing happens which has happened in the past, so we are looking for a big trend on the upside. Okay, so and probably we are sitting at the starting of the trend. That's what we need to know, and that's what we are going to look here is about the probability and the trend which we could expect in the days or probably in the years to come, because this is going to be a long term big trend on the upside. So this is the simple chart pattern and this is the range. So let me tell you first that the stock which is trading currently at the current price is nothing but its long term support level, which this script has touched in 1992, then 2008, and probably in 2020. And from here, both the times, the first time the stock has risen by 679%, and from the lows of 2018 to the lows of 2015 the stock has risen by 1300%. So we have two probabilities right now, and we are going to discuss about those probabilities and probably both of them. So let me just tell you about the important or big support levels. So this is your support level at 5.8 to 5.1, or if you want to consider 2020's support, a lows which was at 4.43. So you can consider these your important support levels, and the stock is trading at cheap dirt levels when you look at the previous trend or the big trend. So on the higher side, our two big targets will be 71 and 46 to $71. It is going to be a multi-year target, but looking at the kind of liquidity we have across the world and more specifically in US markets, probably it will take shorter amount of time, but what we are going to do is we have to consider that this will take at least 3 to 5 years or more. If it happens before that, that's a different thing, but we should consider that it will take a substantial amount of time, which generally stock does for making big moves. Okay, so we have the first resistance or the first target we have, or the stock could probably see, will be 12.31, then we have 18.92, then we have 28.77, then we have 42.83 to 46.67. This is going to be a resistance range, and then if the stock uh, sustains beyond $47, then we are going to see 71 or $72 on the higher side, which is the higher side of the range, and which could give you 1300% on the upside. So I'm talking about 10 bagger, okay, 10 times, or probably here 900% on the upside. But one thing you need to understand is this, that the probability for this stock to reach at this level is very high when compared to reaching at the higher end of the range, which is $71, because there is a fair amount of chance that whenever the stock went up, it went up till 46 and $47, and it went up couple of times, but for 71 it happened only once. I'm not saying that it will not go towards that level, but what I'm saying that the probability is less compared to the 46 or $47 mark. That's what I'm saying. But there is a fair amount of chance that it will go to 71. That we will look at when it crosses and sustains about 47, 46, 47 odd dollars. We have a fair sense of idea looking at the market trends and the uh, momentum of the stock, that whether it will go towards $71 or not. But this is trading. Technically, your risk reward ratio is phenomenal, and if your risk is hardly $1 or $1.50, and your reward is going to be 800, 900 odd percent. So this is technically is one of the those stocks which will give you lots of return in the time and probably in the years to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.